Execution, Critical Change Schedule. In My Dashboard, click the Plan Schedule icon to navigate to the critical change schedule of a started project. The vertical dark gray line represents today. The vertical light gray line represents a non-working day or holiday. Exepron only tracks the remaining days required to complete a given task. Update tasks daily and whenever a task is completed. Click on the task name to open task details in the left table, or click on the task to open the task details. Click the Close Table icon to increase the CCPM viewing area. Click the Open Table icon to display the left table again. Click the PERT icon to view the PERT in read-only format. Click Open Table icon in PERT view to display the planning table. Click the CCPM icon to return to the critical change schedule. Critical chain tasks are dark blue. Feeding chain tasks are light blue. A critical chain task with a solid red task condition means this first task in the chain can potentially delay the project and requires immediate attention. The project buffer is in excess of 100% penetration. A red bar under a feeding chain task means this first task in the chain can potentially delay the project and requires attention. The feeding buffer is in the red. A feeding chain task with a solid red task condition means this first task in the chain can potentially delay the project and requires immediate attention. The feeding buffer is in excess of 100%. An orange bar under the task means this task is work in progress. Enter the remaining duration of a task in the left table. Click elsewhere on the screen and Exepron will auto-save the changes. A red bar under a critical chain task means this first task in the critical chain can potentially delay the project and requires immediate attention. The project buffer is in the red. A black line in the center of the buffer indicates buffer penetration into the green, yellow, or red zones of the buffer. Red means take appropriate corrective actions on the task that caused the red conditions. The critical change schedule does not move or change position on the calendar after a project has started. Any gains or delays will be reflected in the buffer penetration. Enter 0 remaining days when a task is completed. All changes are displayed in real time. A cyan bar under the task means this task is now completed and has 0 remaining days. What if? Replanning a project. Once a project has started, and if there are significant business reasons, for example, a major delay or significant scope change for replanning the project, then the user may click the What If button to replan a project. Current users. Click Current Users to view the users that are currently editing this project. Save Copy As. Save this project under a new project name without impacting the current project name and project schedule. Save a copy of this project as a PERT in its current condition. All tasks will display in the PERT. Not started and work in progress tasks will display with their current remaining duration. Completed tasks will display 0 remaining duration and with a red halo. Save as template. Save a template of this project in its original planned condition before execution. Filters. Select a task row. Click the Forward filter to view the successor task dependencies. Clear the filter. Select a task row. Select the Backward filter to view the predecessor task dependencies. Clear the filter.